So Trailblazers, what we're going to do is here, as we're coming around the bodies, I'm going to set up with our feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Okay, so from here, I'm actually going to cast this mace across the front of the body. As it comes towards the front of the body, this hand that's closest to the mace handle at the end is going to slide up and going to catch it around the back of the body. Okay, and then we're going to rotate through the thoracic. Eyes are staying on that mace head the whole time. Then I'm going to come back around the way I came, and then we're going to repeat on the same side. So this is a fantastic exercise for rotational and anti-rotational strength. It's really going to work those core muscles. Okay, so when we're doing this, we're just going to kind of speed it up, and then what I'll do is I'll break it down step by step. So from here, we're going to cast that mace head forward, trying to keep it up around about chest height the whole time. And then from there, we're going to change hands. So if you see from here, I've got the mace handle in my left hand. I come around the body, and then I slide this hand as I'm coming around the body. Then I take the left hand away and I bring it towards the mace head, and then I change sides. So as I come forward, okay, I slide this hand down, this hand comes away, and I catch it on the other side. I'm going to speed that up now. So it's a fantastic core exercise, this one. Just make sure you've got plenty of room around you. There's no kids or pets. And again, just really make sure you've got a tight core with this one. This is really loading up the spine. It's going to be fantastic for building core strength. Okay, so there are your Trailblazers.